bit longer, and don't forget to press the bell icon button to get my new videos and new content. So we are going to start by the tables. Tables are, you can say, timetable or any table. Write here table. So that's the table. In it there are 3 steps, like 4 steps. They are the caption of the table and the border, the table row, table 5, table data and table head. So I am going to write a table row, TR. The table row is this and column are like this. So in TR there will be TH. First the TH is going to come, table head is going to be name. Then password, like this. For an example I am going to take only 2. And then you have to make one more TR with the TD. Here will be TD with the name property will be like Subhan, and the password will be dot. Not, we are going to write like 909090. Save it and come here. They will be like this. If I write here what, I am going to write here property ALIGN, alignment is equal to what? Center. Save it. So that will be as a center. And if I write one more property, that is going to be what? The border. Border I am going to give, like in the pixels, 2 pixels will be, so there will be an border. So like this they are table and row, and where we are going to use caption, we are going to write here only cap. Write here cap like this and enter. Caption will be Subhan, you can write a student, and we can make many more. So there will be a caption, and we have to, for more students, we have to duplicate this method, or you can write it. Like save it, come here, there are students. So I am going to name it 1. So now we are going to know the UL and LI, UL and OL. So there is order list and unordered list. So if you go for the grocery, so you will know, you will write here number 1, number 2. We have to get number 1 this. This will be called the order list. In unordered will be say that I had buy the second one, so okay, cross it, so that done. So that will be. So if I write here what? The UL, that is unordered list, and in it there will be LI, that is called the list. LI have the T. Save it. Come here, there will be a dot T. Duplicate it, there will be many more. For example, I am going to take only one like this. But when I will write here OL and write here the LI, with the T, duplicate it, save it, so they will be with the numbers. We can change it, like we can use this processor type as equal to, if I need type circle and square, save it, so that will be circle. I am going to write here type as equal to, there will be the type like A, so that will be like this. These are called order and unordered list. So then the next I am going to tell you, that is going to be little bit different, you can say, and like that are class and ID. Class used for the these both are used for JavaScript and the CSS. You can use. So my method is this to CSS will use class will use for CSS and ID will use for JavaScript. So what I am going to do now? What I am going to do now? Wait. Like I am going to know. I will tell you how can you add class. There will be an h2 tag with the class. Class will be what? Like if you write a 2, so that will be no. But you have, if you want to write number, so you will write A2, not be only 2, so that will be not A. Come here, you can write here hello anything. hello, there will be hello. But it have the class. We can put it same, but these are different. I will tell you in the detail too. ID is equal to same. So these are ID and class. So I am going to tell you that these are the basic. Okay. So but how we are going to write in CSS and JavaScript. So we can use it in both processor so that if I want to put the CSS to the hello, so I will write here dot hello. That is a command control plus slash. So if I want to put the ID, so I will write a hash a. Hash a, that will be not hello. That is going to be a. These have both have different. So this is the HTML we had learned. So there are one more we are going to learn, that is going to be what? The label. Label and selection. Selection is a selecting label. When I click it, so that have a drop down menu. So how can we create it? We have to create it in this processor. So first we will need a label. So label used for naming something. I am not going to write here for. And in the label we can write here like HTML, like language. Language. Control enter. Select. Like this. There will be only name. We don't need ID now. Name is going to be what? Lang only. Come here, open it. There will be what? The value of it. In the select, I am going to write here OPT. OPT is equal to the option. Value will be like ink. I am going to take it for an example. Come here. There will be a label. Click it, so there is a drop down menu. So that's the HTML. There is only one chapter left, that are links. So linking tag are what? You have to write here LINK. I had telling you the most workable. Like if you had made one more file, so you can connect it. So that's how can we connect. So thank you for watching my video, the part 2 of HTML. In this part 2 we had completed the HTML. Inshallah we are going to start the CSS, and after that will be end. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon button, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you are new in my channel, so don't forget to press the subscribe button. So take care and Allah Hafiz.